last lesson we looked at the C section of the Rockschool Grade 2 exam piece Bone Crusher, which is playing now. The D section is a variation of the A and C section. So in this lesson we'll be looking at the final section of the piece, which is a lead guitar solo. This catchy melody is a good way to improve your picking technique and fretting hand strength. Picking this melody using all downstrokes will produce a consistent, aggressive sound, but it may be a challenge to maintain at this tempo. Alternate picking is an economic way of picking faster phrases because it uses less motion, helping to make your playing more fluent. If you haven't tried alternate picking, example 1 is a good way of practicing the technique in a structured way before attempting the melody. Although you need to make sure you use strict alternate downstrokes and upstrokes, try not to look at your picking hand. Concentrate on your fretting hand, making sure all your fingers are close to the frets. After a while you'll feel comfortable picking and strumming without looking at your picking hand. It's tempting to play this melody with your strongest 3 fingers. However, using your weaker 4th finger will require less of a stretch. This will strengthen your weakest finger and make things easier for you later on when you attempt more challenging material. Start by playing the melody slowly, making sure both your fingerings and picking directions are accurate. Once you feel comfortable with the whole solo, gradually increase the speed until you feel ready to play to the backing track. You can get all the information you need on the Rockschool exams by visiting rockschool.co.uk.